Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Great Family. Today I will be making chicken or rabbit house. I love building, but I only have this saw and my hammer for me to be able to make this chicken house. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this plank and the walls into the sizes, into different sizes, or to the size I want to use for making the chicken or rabbit house. So I've not decided which one I'm going to put inside, because we need more space for the chicken, and also when our rabbits when they give birth, we need another place to put them. So that is why I'm trying to do this, to try to make something happen. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this. All right. So now we've divided, we've cut this, and we cut them into different. So now I have my chicken cage is looking okay now, and so what I need, what remains now is I need to put a net and also something to cover this side. Net over there, I'll put net over there. I will use something to cover the top here. You can see the top, so, and the net will go down so that their excrete will be coming out. So I still have some minutes to go before I'm done with this. Thank you for watching. All right, check out my chicken cage. And this is not perfect. This is not a perfect one, but I try to do a good job making this cage. Even though because of the rain, I could have finished it long time. So just stuck here. So this is where I am currently with my chicken cage. Alright, I want it. This is gonna be the door. This is gonna be the door, and I'm gonna put a net or something to cover the side. So I don't know what to use yet, so I will come up with something that I'm going to use, then I'm going to get the job done. So this is what I've been doing on Friday. We don't have any church meeting on Friday, and this is currently, I do some other things. Mostly I prepare my messages on Friday, and then I got something to preach already. So that is why I just embark on this project, chicken house. So I use something for this cover. This is what I use for the cover. I use the zinc for the cover. All right. Thank you for watching. All right, my chicken house is well done, and this is the finished product. You can see this is the door. This is the door to the chicken house. The door is right here. I put inches to this one, 2 inches. And right. Okay. I put a sink to the each side. Net at the back. And also this one on the top. Alright, it has been the most productive day for me. Busy day. And I love every moment. We will be moving some of this chicken from here. Some of the chicken here. Some of these guys. Some of them will be going to this new feed. New cage. All right, thank you so much for watching. Thank Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.